Welcome people to an unboxing video. If you hear any weird howling noises coming from outside, just ignore that because currently there are really strong winds going on in this bipolar Dutch weather. But anyway, what is this all about? 2 weeks ago on Instagram, the Slikhaarshop hosted a challenge where you're supposed to post a picture of your current hair product collection, and they will give a box of prizes to the user who they believe has the most impressive collection, and I won the challenge. I posted this picture over here as my entry, and I don't exactly know how many entries there were, but the challenge went on for a week, and within that 1 week time frame, I won. And so they gave me this box of prizes over here last week. They shipped it over and it arrived this morning, which I already opened. So let's get to seeing what's inside. I opened it earlier to save time and cut to the chase. And this box is mainly full of Vilain hair products, and Vilain is the line of hair products from Slikhaarshop. Particularly over here, what's inside this box are mainly the black gold waxes, which are the limited edition releases from the Black Friday sale they arranged last year. So I got a comb right here, both narrow teeth and wide teeth, as if I didn't have enough combs already. Then we have the black gold wax over here, the charcoal wax, with this long quote over here. The only thing standing between you and your goal is the bullshit story you keep telling yourself as to why you can't achieve it, Mr. Belford. That is inspiring. Put this aside over here. And what else do we have over here? We have the Who the Fuck is Slikhaar? Another black gold styling wax. Now both of these over here have a matte finish and what they label as an extreme hold. And there's also the Just Do Me styling wax over here, which again is a matte finish and an extreme hold product. And finally, we have, the Power Made. This one seems like it's the most down my road over here. This one is a water-based pomade with a light hold and a glossy finish. And it is, of course, I believe it's unorthodox. I really can't be sure. Hadn't really looked into it. I really don't know what it's like, but it's still sealed, so we can't really tell yet. We also have more little product samples over here. We have the Wax Zero from Vilain, Stronghold Natural Glow with Beeswax, new organic line, interesting. Another little sample over here of the Dynamite Clay, volume boost with a Stronghold dry clay wax. And let's see, what are these big bottles over here? Oh, we have the Rush Cooling Shampoo with vitamin E and menthol. Cooling Sensation Fresh Menthol. And we also have the Rush Conditioner right here with avocado oil and mentha arbutus oil. Fresh Menthol, Cooling Sensation. Seems like healthy stuff. And we have this little bottle of the Sidekick Pre-Styler, which is a volume booster as far as I can remember, and it's for heat protection, shaping and hold, and it's an anti-frizz protection. Don't really need anti-frizz because my hair is pin straight, as most of you know. But yeah, nevertheless, I do need the volume because my hair is actually really fine. And finally, we have this empty bottle, spray bottle with a spray cap. And that is it. other than the two stickers that were sent to me over here of the Slikhaarshop logo, and some information on the Rush shampoo and the conditioner. And great, I have a unique coupon code for my next order right over here. I won't be showing it, of course. It's personal, but that is all that's in the box. Really, really great package. So many awesome stuff right over here. Can't wait to try them. I won't give every single one of them a review. I thought I'd never really get around to using salad products nor reviewing salad products, but I'll definitely go ahead and sometime I'll give a review on the Power Made, because as far as I can remember, there was a commenter in one of my videos who requested me to do the Power Made, a video on it, but I never replied to that comment. But whoever you are who requested for a review in this one, you're lucky because I now have it. So that'll be all. Now to the guys over at Slikhaarshop, if you're watching this, a huge thank you and a big shout out to you guys. This video is pretty much a shout out throughout the whole video for all of you at the Slikhaar team. And I really thank you for sending these my way, and I didn't even expect it outwent because there are quite some other really awesome entries in the collection that I think I would lose to, but I actually did not really expect that I'd win because this is the first time I actually won something like this. So a very big thank you to all of you at Slikhaar. And for those of you, the rest of my viewers, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you hadn't, click on the bell icon to never miss a single upload of mine, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay greasy, everybody.